Hi everyone, is your WPS Office Save As confirmation dialog box closing automatically? So this is happening due to a compatibility conflict of Windows with WPS Office due to its recent security updates. So let's see what you can do in this scenario. Simply right click over the start menu Windows icon and click on run. Now in the run dialog box type %local app data % and click on OK. From here find the Kingsoft folder and open it. Then go to WPS Office folder, go to the version folder, then go to Office 6 folder. Here locate a file named WPS Cloud SVR. Simply right click over it and click on rename. Now simply add backup at the end of the name. Save the change. Close this window and restart your computer and see if you get the error or not. However, if you still get the error, then proceed ahead with the next step. Search for installed apps and open it. Then in the search box here, type WPS. You'll get the installation of WPS Office. Click on these 3 dots and then click on uninstall. At this point, select keep data for next use and then confirm it. And wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Once uninstalled, restart your computer once. After restart, go to the official web page of WPS Office and download and install the recent version of it and see if this helps or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.